In today's video, we will be comparing two popular washing machines, the portable washing machine and the Erivess compact mini twin tub. The portable washing machine is a mini foldable washer designed for small loads, perfect for travel and small spaces. On the other hand, the Erivess compact mini twin tub offers a larger capacity and a drying rack, making it a convenient option for dorms and apartments. Let's dive into the details to see which one suits your laundry needs better. The portable washing machine has a capacity of 13 liters, making it suitable for small loads such as underwear and baby clothes. In contrast, the Erivess compact mini twin tub boasts a total capacity of 32 pounds, which includes a 20 pounds washer and a 12 pounds spinner. This means the Erivess can handle larger loads, making it more efficient for families or those with bigger laundry needs. The portable washing machine features 3 washing modes, specifically designed for delicate items, ensuring a gentle yet effective clean. Meanwhile, the Erivess compact mini twin tub offers the convenience of a dual tub system, allowing users to wash and spin dry clothes simultaneously. This feature enhances efficiency, making laundry tasks quicker and more manageable. The portable washing machine is designed for portability, being foldable and lightweight, making it ideal for travel, camping, or small apartments. In contrast, while the Erivess compact mini twin tub is compact, it is heavier and less portable due to its larger capacity and dual tub design. This makes the portable washing machine a better option for those who prioritize ease of transport. In conclusion, both the portable washing machine and the Erivess compact mini twin tub have their unique advantages. The portable washer is perfect for those who need a lightweight and foldable option for small loads, while the Erivess provides a larger capacity and dual functionality for more extensive laundry needs. Consider your lifestyle and laundry habits to choose the best option for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.